This is the installation video for the Levelok permanent mount ladder leveling system on a Type 1 AA 375-pound duty-rated Louisville FE4200 HD series ladder. First, remove the stock ladder shoe by unbolting the bolt that attaches the shoe. Make a mark at 2.5 inches. Cut 2.5 inches off from the bottom of the rail. Mark between the bottom pair of rivets. Draw a line across. This mark is extremely important. It represents the lowest mounting bolt hole and the official reference point for the remaining 2 holes that will be drilled into the ladder rail for proper mounting. You want to make a center line mark at 1 5/8 of an inch in 2 locations. And then draw your center line. Use the template to mark all 3 holes. Set the template in the correct position with the bottom mark that you just made. And then mark the next 2 holes. Drill an initial 1/8 of an inch pilot hole in the 3 locations. And then enlarge those holes with an 11/32 bit. Make sure you leave a clean, smooth surface in these holes so that the bolts of the leveler will slide smoothly through. Glue 2 spacer plates for each mounting bolt. Place 2 small drops of the provided metal adhesive on the aluminum spacer plates. The pair of spacers closest to the shoe will be mounted parallel to the rail, so make sure you put glue around the perimeter of that hole. And you mount them on the bolts and make sure that they set. Attach the Levelok permanent mount leveler with washers and nuts. Each of the 2 top bolts gets 1 square and 1 round washer. The bottom bolt mounts directly to the rung to plate connection without any additional washers. Securely fasten the nuts with a ratchet. After the Levelok permanent ladder leveling system is installed with all washers and nuts attached properly, it is important to test the assembly. To do so, test the leveler function by snapping the lower curved foot pedal down into the ready position. Extend the inner leg 5 or 6 inches and then retract the inner leg by activating the release lever near the top. Please note that all Levelok ladder levelers have an automatic backup safety lock so that if there is any pressure on the leveler shoe, the release lever will be restricted in its movement. This safety feature is designed for your safety, and it is important that the leveler shoe remains somewhat loose on the shoe bolt, just as it is when you first receive the product. Install the second ladder leveler on the opposite rail by following the same directions. After you've finished installing both ladder levelers, the Levelok permanent mount ladder leveling system is ready to be used.